Are you a preserving and canning enthusiast? Look no further. Introducing the Paksh Novelty Wide-Mouth Glass Mason Jar. This 64 ounces jar is perfect for all your canning needs. Whether you're making homemade pickles, canned peaches, or jams and jellies, this jar is shaped and sized just right. But that's not all. This mason jar is also great for fermenting foods. Make large quantities of kombucha, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and so much more. Its sizable body and wide mouth make it easy to pickle huge portions of your favorite foods. Need a place to store your dry or wet foods? No problem. The airtight seal lid keeps your food fresher for longer. Store dry foods like rice, flour, oatmeal, and pasta in the pantry, or keep wet foods like sauces and pizza sauces in the fridge or kitchen cupboards. Speaking of the wide mouth, it's not just for easy filling. You can also easily clean the jar thoroughly thanks to its wide opening. And with a diameter of 4 inches, you can even fill it with larger fruits and vegetables like zucchini, cucumbers, and peppers. When it comes to quality, we've got you covered. Each jar is made in the USA using high-quality, thick-grade soda lime glass that has been certified by the USDA as food safe. The lid is made of BPA-free plastic, so you can be sure that no harmful chemicals will leach into your food or beverages. And don't worry about cleanup. These jars are dishwasher safe. So why wait? Get your Paksh Novelty Wide-Mouth Glass Mason Jar today and join the canning and fermenting revolution. Check the link in the description to find out more about this amazing product.